I don't know what to say. I mean, I've already said it before, and I guess I'll say it again. This is an attention game, and if Donald Trump keeps doing stuff like trying to have America take over Gaza, then there's not going to be any attention left for crypto. That's just the way it is. I mean, until the news starts to calm down a little bit, I don't think people are even going to realize all of the great things that Donald Trump has been doing for the crypto space. And until that happens, maybe we can just keep going sideways. I don't know. At the time of recording, Bitcoin is sitting down at about $96,000, and it looks like it's having a little bit of a sell-off today. It could come down here to fill out this wick, coming back down to about $91,000. But like I've been saying, as long as we don't start closing candles below about $90,000, then we're not really in danger of making a lower low here, and I think we're still headed to the upside. Maybe we're going to be seeing some kind of a breakout here in the next couple of days, who knows? If I was going to try to predict what Donald Trump is going to do and how the markets are going to react, then I'd probably look like a fool. But what I do know is that we continue seeing worse and worse economic readings here, and we just got initial jobless claims this morning coming in at 219, which was well above the 214 projection and the previous of 208,000. Also, we got the job openings coming in at 7.6 million, with the prediction being 8 million. And it looks like just when a lot of people are starting to lose their jobs, the jobs are starting to disappear. And if this trend continues, then eventually the Fed is going to have to lower interest rates again. This week we got news that Brad Garlinghouse, the Ripple CEO, is anticipated to be selected for an advisory position on the White House Crypto Council. And pro-crypto and pro-Bitcoin, Hester Peirce, is expected to lead the SEC's crypto task force to clear regulations. It looks like Donald Trump is putting together a pro-crypto army, and in my opinion, it's just a matter of time until people start paying attention to the crypto space and all of the positive news that's been coming out of it. And whenever that happens, it's inevitable that this thing is going to explode. But for now, in my opinion, I think this little bit of a cool-off we've been seeing over the past couple of months is really bullish, because I was starting to get a little bit nervous that we were accelerating towards the top of this bull market a little bit too quickly. Now that we've had this cool off, maybe $120,000 isn't going to be the top, but that's the first price target I'm looking for whenever we do see a breakout of this price level, hopefully above about $105,000. And whenever we get to $120,000, we're going to be looking for another pattern to start forming here. And hopefully that's going to be indicating that it's going to be taking us above 150. One really insanely good piece of news that could come out, and there is some speculation so far, is that Elon Musk has been proposing putting the US Treasury on a blockchain for full spending transparency. I've been talking about this in the past, and I really thought it was just a pipe dream. But with Elon Musk heading up the Doge, or Department of Government Efficiency, he has the chance to do the funniest thing ever, really, and make the blockchain that the Treasury is put on the DOGEcoin blockchain. Like he said in the past, fate loves irony, and I think this would just be the really best use case for Dogecoin that we could ever see being possible. This kind of thing would be really exciting, and obviously whatever cryptocurrency or blockchain the Treasury was put on would probably go to the moon. I don't know if they would make a new blockchain that normal people like me and you probably can't invest in or what, but if it gets put on the Doge blockchain, then honestly, it would really just make sense, and it would be absolutely nuts. And if you just look at what's been going on with the Donald Trump and Elon Musk presidency, then I would say that really nothing is off the table at this point, and maybe it is possible that we're going to be seeing Dogecoin actually become the people's currency and the blockchain that the people's currency is actually tracked on. Additionally, there's been rumors that maybe they're going to be auditing the IRS and getting rid of the Fed. Who knows what the heck is going to happen? All of it sounds like a pipe dream, like I've said, but really, so many things that have happened already sounded like they weren't going to happen. And since anything is possible, I guess we're really just going to have to wait and see what kind of great news the Donald Trump presidency has to bring towards the cryptocurrency space. Donald Trump has mentioned that he might get rid of income taxes on US-made cryptocurrencies, or maybe even just income tax altogether. And honestly, that sounds even less likely than the US Treasury being put on the Dogecoin blockchain. But some crazy ideas have been being floated. And while I am surprised, I'm honestly pretty glad that we're not seeing cryptocurrency just explode on this news, because if we got any kind of news that maybe some of these things wouldn't be coming to fruition, then that would probably cause a really great sell-off. And now, since we're actually just waiting on these rumors to come to fruition, maybe whenever they do, this could actually kick off the super cycle or the biggest bull cycle of all time, or mainstream adoption, or the cryptocurrency golden age, or whatever you want to call it. But what I'm trying to say is basically there could be some really great days ahead of us. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. When are people going to start paying attention to the bullish news that has been coming out of the crypto space? And do you think that Donald Trump will actually get rid of income taxes on crypto projects or altogether? And do you actually think that it's possible that Elon could put the US Treasury on the DOGEcoin blockchain? I know all of this stuff sounds really crazy, but it's some crazy times that we're living in. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. But most importantly, don't forget to do only good every day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.